Employment Practices Liability Insurance, it is known as EPL or EPLI, provides coverage to employers against claims made by employees alleging discrimination based on sex, race, age, or disability, for example, wrongful termination, harassment. What does EPLI not cover? An EPLI policy doesn't cover criminal conduct or fines, civil fines, penalties, or punitive damages. Why is EPLI insurance important? EPLI insurance covers businesses against claims by workers that their legal rights as employees of the company have been violated. The number of lawsuits filed by employees against their employers has been rising. While most suits are filed against large corporations, no company is immune to such lawsuits. Is EPLI worth it? Just imagine if you or your company was ever sued for something like racial discrimination, sexual harassment, or wrongful termination. If the case ended up in court, you could incur hundreds of thousands of dollars in legal costs and attorney fees. What is the average EPLI claim? If an EPLI case isn't dismissed for businesses of all sizes, the average jury award is about $250,000. If the case settles, the judgment average is $75,000, and the cost of defense average about $120,000 per claim. What is the difference between the employer's liability and EPLI? Broadly speaking, workers' compensation and employer's liability cover the costs of physical injuries, though in slightly different ways. And employment practices liability covers emotional damages and distress of your employees caused by team members or the environment in the workplace. What are the exclusions to the EPLI policy? Generally, EPLI doesn't cover claims for bodily injury, intentional acts, assault, battery, criminal conduct, privacy violations are not covered. What is excluded? Employer's liability insurance does not cover legal costs from employee lawsuits charging discrimination.